Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt, and in this video I'm going to show you how to properly unbox the C4 series from LG. This is one of their 2024 OLED models, and it does come in a variety of sizes. This one we have here is the 65-inch, so it's not going to be exactly the same for all of them, so make sure you do your homework before you unpack your TV, just to make sure you don't cause any damage to the screen. Our first step is going to be to cut through these nylon straps here, or whatever kind of material they're made out of, and then we're going to cut the tape on the top. So for me, I usually carry a knife, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut through these with my knife. And then we're going to go through the tape on the top. Now that we've got the tape cut, we're just going to open up the top of the box here. And on the top, you're going to see a piece of paper here that kind of gives you instructions on how to build the pedestal and assemble the TV. And we've got a bag of accessories with a remote in there. And finally we have what looks like maybe some pedestal pieces or some attachments for the back of the TV. Once you take all those out, we're just going to remove this top piece of styrofoam here so that we can lift the box off the TV. And now that we have that top piece of styrofoam out, there is one more piece of the pedestal that we can see from the top of the box. So we're going to remove that, and then with the help of a second person, especially on the larger size TVs, we're just going to go ahead and lift the box off, and we should be able to see the TV inside here. Now we're going to remove the rest of the styrofoam pieces from around the TV, and that is going to expose a couple of different handholds towards the bottom of the TV that are going to allow you to reach down to the bottom and lift the TV out of the box. And you'll want a second person for that as well. And here we're going to lift it out, and then we're going to put it face down on the counter here behind us, and we're going to leave this foam packing material on the front. And now we're going to assemble and install the pedestal. This is actually the same pedestal that came with the 55, 65, and 77-inch C2 and C3. So if you do need help putting this one together, make sure you check out our video that we did on the C3, because it is the exact same process. But I'm just going to go ahead and put this together right now and attach it to the back of the TV. And now that we've got the pedestal assembled and attached to the back of the TV, we're just going to take the power cord and sort of hold it down like this with one hand, and we're going to take this H-shaped piece here, and that's got 4 little tabs on the top that are going to match up with 4 little spots up there, and then we're going to push that down until it clicks into place. And then with the help of a second person, we're going to lift the TV up, turn it around, and set it down and get this thing turned on. As you can see, not a very complicated setup. Thankfully, this one was super easy to put together. Obviously, as you can see here, the picture quality is amazing. We weren't expecting anything less from the C-Series OLEDs from LG, so thankfully they've really held true. It's even a little bit brighter than last year. Color quality looks incredible. The audio quality was surprisingly good. We're gonna talk about all that in our upcoming overview video, so make sure you stay tuned for that one. Thank you, as always, for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.